Today I'm going to clean my face using a skin spatula that we purchased from Amazon. It was under $25, and it does say that basically if you know that your skin is super sensitive, if you have any open things on your face, if you have some kind of skin injury, whatever else, just, be on a lookout. First, we're gonna do the cleaning mode, and a lot of people recommend or suggest to first clean your face with the cleansing gel, cleansing oil, cleansing whatever you use to wash your face. My face is already clean. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a facial steamer, which some people also suggest. And then I think we're also gonna get Andre in here to clean his face and see who has more gunk in their skin.
Oh, I'm super clean.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
All right, let's steam my face for a couple of minutes. Can you guys see me? This is so nice. This might put me to sleep. I don't think Andre's gonna like this, because we're also gonna steam your face.
Are we?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Don't get too close, because it's steam. You get a little closer if you want.
Yeah.
It's not bad, right?
Not that enjoyable.
Really?
Yeah.
You gotta close your eyes and do this. Just think of
Reminds me of hot Florida day.
hot Florida day, how muggy it is.
Yeah.
True it does. We are glistening. My cheeks are nice and flushed. So we are going to use a spatula, basically kind of curved towards the skin. And then you have this other side where it's basically going to sit on your skin. And this one is more for applying skincare, kind of smoothing everything out into your skin. But this right here, you want basically the spatula to be kind of going like on your skin, kind of scraping it. So let's turn this on. Okay, they say you just turn it on and then it's just going to do the default cleaning mode.
Does it do anything?
I don't know. I mean, I think it's getting some stuff out. I guess we'll see it on the plate. It's not as nasty. It doesn't hurt whatsoever. It just feels like a spatula. You can kind of see right there. But I think it's mostly like the oils. Maybe that is the dirt, coming out. Obviously, we're gonna try to clean this nose, like right here.
It's got a flathead, so
Yeah.
I don't think it's getting anything out.
Oh, I got something. You guys see that little one?
That one out?
I think so. I should have did a disclaimer. If you get grossed out real quick, click out. As I already showed you the nasty part. I'm kind of using like the little end right here, the tips. I don't know. Like I'm looking at this right here. We can focus on this right here. You can see a little bit stuff on the shovel, but it's not as gross or as nasty as I thought it was going to be.
Keep cleaning this. I don't think.
Let's try yours. I want to see how dirty you are.
So do I need to do this first?
Yeah, I would steam your face. Do it for like 30 seconds or so. Put it like right underneath your chin. So kind of, yeah, it goes up on your face. There it is.
Can't breathe.
Well, keep doing it for a little bit. Just kind of move your face side to side if you can't breathe. Do you like getting pretty with me?
I'm already pretty.
All right, keep doing it, babe. That was literally like 20 seconds.
10 more seconds of this, alright. This is so boring. I thought getting pretty would be more exciting than this.
There you go. Just enjoy the process.
I'm not. Alright, so we're gonna turn this on. be honest with you, this thing is not all that powerful.
No, it's not.
Nope. You know what's more powerful? Way more powerful?
What?
Your toothbrush.
My electric toothbrush?
Yeah. Mine also way more powerful. So let's see if I can get some of these blackheads out, because I know I have a bunch of these.
Yeah, use the edge, kind of like how I did it.
It's not getting it out, y'all.
It's not?
Nope. I even see the blackhead.
Yeah. We just need to go visit an esthetician, babe, both you and I.
I don't really like this. I don't like it's doing anything. I can squeeze that guy out.
Yeah, don't squeeze it. Babe, but then you're gonna leave a nasty mark in your face.
Okay. Just want to show you that you can squeeze it out. See? It comes
That's
out.
disgusting.
You know, this should have worked. They should have squeezed.
Use the end, like the sides.
Use another one.
See if you can play with the frequency.
It's much weaker. You don't feel it. This is Ion Plus. This one's probably a deep clean right here. Hey, seriously? I can probably get more zits out with your toothbrush.
No. Why did you say mine? Use your own.
Because you're the one that has the supersonic one.
Try your forehead.
I mean, get some dead skin cells.
Yeah, I saw something. What are your thoughts?
My first thought, I would never do this.
But you just did.
But I did. My thoughts are, this thing is very weak. Does it say supersonic?
No.
Because it's not.
It doesn't say supersonic.
Yeah, this is not supersonic at all.
It says ultrasonic.
Ultra. Oh.
I'm gonna take some of my toner. I'm gonna apply it in areas where I want to use this right here. I want to use it right in here. You know what? I'm just gonna use it everywhere. Might as well. Basically preps your skin for the rest of your skincare. Depends what kind of toner you have. The one that I have, it's an exfoliating toner with my AHA. And it just basically tones the face. Okay, let's turn this back on. I'm actually just gonna clean this after you, babe.
Yeah, some oil in there.
I wish it was more disgusting.
You want some grime on your face?
Yeah, I wanna, you know, like those, you ever seen those videos where it literally is nasty? Like all the gunk coming out of your skin, it's like squishing out. That's what I wanted from this. I'm not getting it. I'm not satisfied. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, maybe.
Or maybe your skin is super squeaky clean.
I doubt it. I mean, my skin does feel really nice, but I don't know. And it's not, this doesn't hurt whatsoever unless you're like poking yourself. But it feels pretty nice. All right, so I'm kind of done scraping and cleaning my face. I'm gonna move on to massaging my face and applying my skincare. This is just my vitamins. Well, this is not just the vitamin C serum. This is Fresh Vitamin Nectar Glow Juice Antioxidant Serum. I'm gonna kind of spread this onto my face.
So it's supposed to what? Pat that in?
It says,
deeper?
yes, it's going to pat and then massage my skin. And we're going to use basically this side of the shovel, like that bendy side, not the scraping side. And we're going to do the patting option.
So how does that feel?
I mean,
Feel like it's doing something?
I don't know.
Do you feel sophisticated doing that?
Kind of. Not really. And then I'm gonna take my moisturizer. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spread it out. So much faster with my fingers.
With your fingers?
Okay, so now that I've cleaned my face, Andre cleaned his face, and I massaged my face, I do want to say that I think this product in particular, this one right here, is gimmicky, honestly. I mean, unless my face is that clean, which maybe it is, I don't know. But I do see some, I mean, I see blackheads right here, like right here, there's a little bit of clogged pores, so I feel like maybe it should have cleaned, but obviously it's not gonna be as intense as you would get this type of a facial at an esthetician's office, but
What do those guys think about these?
yeah.
How gimmicky do they think these are?
If you're an esthetician, would you even recommend this type of an at-home face spatula? Are there any particular ones you recommend because they're actually really good and they get the job done, or do you recommend to get something like this done professionally at an office, at a clinic? But please let me know if you've tried something like this.
So what is the expectation?
Yes.
What should you see?
What should I be seeing when I'm doing something like this? Should I literally be seeing blackheads popping out? Should I literally be seeing like the top skin getting really exfoliated and just seeing this, like the oils like bursting through? I don't know how to explain. Like the videos that I saw, it looked really intense and really disgusting, but like in a good way. Like it looks like it's cleaning your skin so nicely, you know? It's nasty. If you're not into that, don't look up those videos, but you can find those kind of videos online for like around skincare. If you just even look face spatula. But I thought it was gonna be a lot nastier. And I wanted it to be nastier, but it wasn't. But yeah, you guys, please let me know if you had experience with this, with an at-home type of a face spatula, what you thought of it. And yeah, I mean, I didn't really enjoy it. I'm kind of sad. But then again, maybe I was doing it wrong, but then their instructions are they're very hard and they don't match the modes on the actual face spatula, like with their modes that they have in their instructions. And their instructions, it looks like they literally put it into Google Translate because a lot of these words don't make sense. Yeah, please let me know the proper way to use this and the best way to use it, the benefits of using this, something like this at home. But for now, you guys, thank you for watching, spending time with us, and we'll see you in the next video very soon.